Good morning, students. Today we will study about contraceptive methods that is used by humans. First is natural or traditional method, barriers, intrauterine devices that is IUDs, oral contraceptive, injectables, and surgical methods. Natural methods or traditional methods already we have studied in the last class. Now barriers. In this, ovum and sperm are prevented from physical meeting with the help of barriers. Means fusion of gametes is prevented so that fertilization will not take place. By using condoms are made up of thin latex sheath that are used to cover the penis in the male or vagina and cervix in the female just before coitus so that the ejaculated semen would not enter into the female reproductive tract. If it will not enter into the female reproductive tract, then fusion of gamete will not take place. Nirod is the popular brand of condom of male. Condoms are very popular because it protects the user from sexually transmitted disease like AIDS. It is disposable. It can be self-inserted and thereby give privacy to the users. That first is the figure of male condom and second is the female male. First is male condom, second is female condom. Now barriers, diaphragm, cervical caps and vaults made up of rubber. Those are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover cervix during coitus. They block the entry of sperm through the cervix. They are reusable, means that they can be used again and again. Spermicidal cream, they are used in order to make the sperm immotile. Jellies and foams usually used along with these barriers to increase the contraceptive efficiency. Now, intrauterine devices IUDs are inserted by the doctor or expert nurse into the uterus through vagina. This include non-medicated IUDs, that is example is lipase loop, copper releasing IUDs, that is copper T, copper S, multi-load 375, hormones releasing IUDs, that is progester LNG20. IUDs increases phagocytosis of sperm within the uterus, and the copper ions release suppress sperm motility and the fertilizing capacity of the sperm, means it will unable to fertilize the ova, that sperm. This is the loop. Intrauterine devices, the hormones releasing IUDs make the uterus unsuitable for implantation and the cervix hostile to the sperm. The IUDs are ideal contraceptive for the female who want to delay pregnancy or space children, means that they want to have a proper difference between two duration between two child. Oral contraceptives, oral administration of progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination in the form of tablet at pills. Pills are taken daily for 21 days starting within the first 5 days of menstrual cycle. After a gap of 7 days during which menstruation occur, means during the menstruation, means that when bloods come out, that gap can be taken. It has to be repeated in the same pattern till the female desire to prevent conception. They inhibit ovulation and implantation as well as alter the quality of cervical mucus to prevent the entry of sperm. Pills are very effective with lesser side effect. Saheli, New oral contraceptive for the females. It contain a non-steroidal preparation. It is a once week pill with very less side effect and high contraceptive value, means it will be taken once in a week, so it is quite easy. Now injectables. Progesterone alone or in combination with estrogen are used by female as injection or implant under the skin. Their mode of action is similar to that of pills and their effective period are much longer. Administration of progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination of IUDs within 72 hours of coitus is very effective as emergency contraceptive, as they avoid possible pregnancy due to casual unprotected intercourse. So this is injectables are used, that is much more effective, mainly used in emergency cases. Now that is surgical method to block the gamete transport and thereby prevent conception. It is very effective but irreversibility is poor, means that again cannot be gained. Vasectomy in male, the small part of vas differentia is removed or tied up through a small incision on the scrotum. Tubectomy, a female, a small part of fallopian tube is removed or tied up through a small incision in the abdomen through vagina. This is vasectomy, that is cut so that sperm will not be able to pass through this. It is prevented. In the case of female, same thing, that fusion will not take place, that sperm will be unable to reach at the isthmus junction for the fertilization, so it is removed from here only, cut. And what is the side effect of contraceptive use? That is nausea, abdomen pain, breakout, bleeding, irregular menstrual cycle, even it may cause breast cancer, and it may cause many other type of cancer also. It is very harmful also for the body. Thank you for today.